Networking, the benefits. Networking is ultimately about getting to know each other and letting others know you. There are numerous benefits associated with connecting to professionals in your field and beyond through networking. 1. Getting to know potential employers and influential decision makers in various organizations and companies, as well as colleagues in your field. 2. Introducing yourself to others so you can showcase your skills, expertise, professional interests, and values. 3. Gaining inside knowledge about an organization and their hiring needs. 4. Creating or learning about career and collaboration opportunities that are not publicly advertised. 5. Staying current on latest industry trends and best practices. 6. Exploring different professional fields as alternative career paths. 7. Building community for professional support, for example, a knowledge community. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our career educators.